Hello students of Standard 5. Today we are going to have revision lesson. The chapter 10. Two different Indias. We have seen this in the previous class that India is only one, but their living is different. There are rich people, there are poor people. People live in a village on a street. People live in a city with high buildings, so many stories, and they go for outing. Other people go very poor, living in the street. They have no money to go and do any other work. They are busy with the work to earn the money for their daily living. Where rich people have plenty of money, they have weekend to enjoy. They go to park, museum, to the many other zoological park where they can enjoy, relax, swim and so on. Dear children, why it is? Poor people are working more hard, but they don't have sufficient to live. It is all mostly because of the education. Poor people did not get more money to be educated properly in the proper way, and they remained on the same way of work. Laborer, they remained always with the little amount of money they got, which was never sufficient for their living. That's why your parents, some of yours parents are also poor, but they have a aim to educate you, make you proper so that you can get proper job and proper salary so that you can lead your family proper. They also look at the buildings. They also go and work in that buildings, high building. They look at the people, those who are rich, how their living is there, how their children are taken care. And they feel, very much they feel, when they have fever, they don't have high rupees to go to get some medicines. When they are hungry, they don't get the food in proper time. And where in the rich family, they see how much food is wasted. There are two different, but there are rich people, very kind. Many rich people are very kind and loving and with concern. They help the poor, they help the needy. But some rich people are also found so arrogant, so proud, they look down, even they teach their children that don't touch them, be away from them, don't mingle with them. They are poor, we are rich, our status is high. But this is not the way. We all are same. We have to be adjusted with everyone and learn to live together. In the school, that's why uniform is put, so that every child comes to class in the same way, same. While looking first, we cannot make out who is poor, who is rich, because in the school, all are equal. So uniform is must in the school. No children can see with their dress and their appearance that they are poor or they are rich. They all look alike. So this is a very good thing that all are in the same age children, in the same dress. No one can make out what it is, how they are, from where they belong, what categories they are. But children, even you come to know that this one is a poor, that one is rich, you should be able to help them. You should be generous to take care of them. Sometimes very poor people are also very good and intelligent. Sometimes they have no facilities to go for tuition or to study extra. When they go home, they have to work, they have to do certain things, so they have no time. So you must be kind to your friends and companions. The two different India is only that there are one side poor people, one side rich people. In the book yours, very clearly it is shown. See, look at it here. The rich people, how they are big buildings are there, and also they are sitting in the park, like here they are swimming, enjoying. See, look at them. So beautifully they are relaxing. And look at the here, kachra, all living on the road, small jobs they are doing. They have pig, they are animals, all are together, small house, birds are, everything is there. Here is neat and clean, nothing is dirty. They call it little dirty, they call the servants and do it. But the poor people, they don't have any facilities. They live in the streets. Okay, children? So, what is your opinion? How will you separate these two India? Do you like that India should be two? No. I know that you all like to be united and one India, one way of living. But for that we have to do hard work, we have to learn, we have to strive to do something. We are rich or poor, all knowledge nobody can steal. We are very much interested to do the work, we will manage. It is all our mind, what we want to tell, what we want to do. Of course, money is the one of the main thing to live for us. But money only cannot do anything and everything. Money can do certain things. It's a means of our life, not everything. But we can, with our hard work, we can come up. We can take care of the families. There are many poor children who come up in life and they forget where they come from. They forget their mother and father. They feel ashamed that poor man is father and poor lady is their mother. So children, we should not forget. We should think that how difficult it was for us, and the same way help other children too. Everybody comes up in their life with their hard work, their difficulties they face, the courage they take to come up in their life. Many children, one math is there, if they cannot finish it, they say that it's very hard, I can't do. No, you should try and try. If you are unable, ask somebody, some friend. Don't be so proud you can't ask. You should ask and do it. And when others ask you also, you should help them. So help each other, you will learn better. And you will be one. Okay, children? Thank you.